Hello all, in this video, figure shows front view and end view of an object, draw isometric view and show overall dimension. As usual, first of all, draw a box of size 80 mm by 100 mm by 25 mm from origin O. First of all, draw a horizontal line. After that, mark origin O and take height. Height is given 20 plus 30 plus 50 is equal to 100 mm. So, draw a box of size 100 mm height. Again, from origin to the right, you will get the length of size how much? 80 mm. So, draw a length of size 80 mm by taking angle 30 degree. So in drafter, set angle 30 degree and draw length of size 80 mm. Again here width is given of size 25 mm. Again set the drafter at angle 30 degree and draw another width of size 25 mm. Again height 100. From this point take same height of size 100 mm. Length is 80 and width is 25 mm. So in this way complete the isometric box. For solving isometric view of an object, let us divide this object into two parts. First and second. Suppose we want to draw the isometric view of this portion. Okay. So how to draw this portion? It lies in between. Length is 80 mm and height is 20 mm. So first of all draw a box of size 80 by 20 by 25. So here already you drawn a box of size 80 mm. Again width is 25 and mark height is 20 mm. Okay. After that, see from O to right, here you will get the visible lines. So it is drawn by the visible lines or outline at the point O. So take this distance, it is a dark one. Okay, this distance is 80 mm. Again this height is 20. So mark a height 20 mm. Again you want to find out this distance from center. This distance is 10 mm and from center this distance is 10 mm. So total length is 80. So 10 is left. So this distance is 30 mm and from this distance is also 30 mm. So draw length of size 30 mm from both. Okay, you draw on this line, lifting some distance of size 20 and draw size of 30 mm. Again this side is 20 mm. Okay, so this is parts, but you drawn this type of portion when you are looking from left, but when you want to go along the width, you draw same parts. Again height is 20 and remaining parts are same. So when you are drawn, this portion is represents these points. So along the width you drawn width of size 25 mm. And draw faint line because we will get another parts here we will draw later on. Okay, so complete these parts. After that we want to focus on these parts. Here topmost parts, here we will get quarter circle, 2 times quarter circle of radius 20 mm and of radius 20 mm. So with the position of these parts at the center, first of all you left some distance of size 10 mm, draw a center points of R20. First of all, you want to locate this one. So see how to locate these points. Take the midpoint of length 40 mm. Again left some distance of size 10. It is a dark one. After that radius is 20. So from this point mark 20 mm. Find out the center. Now from middle take a distance of size 10 mm. Left side 10 mm. Right sides locate the points. Locate these points. After that what is the radius of quarter circle? 20 mm. Locate another points. So these 2 points are important. These points and these points. Again same, here you take a distance of size 20 mm downward direction and mark the points. After that, how to find out the center of R20? From this point take angle 90 degree, draw a faint lines. Again from this point take angle at an angle of 90 degree. Intersection of this point represents center of quarter circle. So this point represents center of quarter circle. Repeat the process for another center. Draw a line at an angle of 90 degree. Again from this point draw another line at an angle of 90 degree. These are the 2 center points, first one and second one. Now by using compass, draw a quarter circle of radius 20 mm, like that. We can repeat the process. This is the center. Okay, you will get a type of portion. Now again this distance is 30 mm, 30 mm. Draw straight line of size 30 mm distance. And this point is also 30 mm. Join this line by lifting 10 mm size. Now transfer the center of size 25 mm from both. And draw a arc. Again from this point take height is equal to 30 and join the lines. Yes sir. So in this way we want to complete the remaining parts. And lastly, give the dimensions. This is the required solution.